To lend. Lent. Lent. She lends me her book every week.
He lent her an umbrella during the storm.
Jane is lending her support to the community project.
John lent his car to a friend.
She lent her daughter some money for the trip.
Can you lend me some money?
I will lend my neighbor a screwdriver.
Se você gostou do conteúdo deste vídeo, visite nosso site e conheça nossas opções de cursos online.